Did you know that some of the most fragrant plants in the world actually grow better in pots than in the ground? Yep, containers help control soil, drainage, and even sunlight, which means richer scent and healthier plants. So today, we're diving into the 12 most fragrant plants that thrive in pots. Perfect for balconies, patios, windowsills, or even small indoor corners. Let's fill your home with beautiful, natural fragrance. 1. Jasmine. Jasmine is one of the strongest natural fragrances. It loves sunlight and grows beautifully in pots. Regular pruning keeps it compact and full of flowers. A single plant can perfume your entire balcony in the evenings. 2. Gardenia. Gardenias have creamy, luxurious blooms with an unforgettable scent. They thrive in containers because you can control soil acidity more easily. Keep them in bright light and slightly moist soil. The fragrance peaks at night. 3. Lavender. Lavender loves pots with excellent drainage. The scent is calming and long-lasting. Place it in a sunny spot and it will reward you with blooms that attract bees and butterflies, perfect for balcony gardens. 4. Rosemary. Not only a cooking herb, rosemary has a strong, refreshing aroma. Just brushing your hand across it releases its fragrance. It thrives in pots with full sun and light watering. Perfect for small balconies. 5. Mint. Mint gives off fresh fragrance even before you touch it. It grows easily in pots and spreads fast. Peppermint, spearmint, pineapple mint. Each has a unique scent. Keep it in its own container so it doesn't take over. 6. Lemon balm. Lemon balm has a sweet lemony fragrance that lifts your mood instantly. It thrives in partial shade and grows well in medium-sized pots. Crush a leaf between your fingers and the scent fills the air. 7. Hoya. Hoya blooms release a sweet, almost vanilla-like scent, especially at night. It's a great indoor pot plant because it loves bright, indirect light. Hoyas are slow growers but incredibly rewarding once they bloom. 8. Sweet alyssum. This compact flowering plant spills beautifully over pot edges and smells like warm honey. It blooms heavily in containers and attracts pollinators. It's perfect for hanging baskets or railing planters. 9. Night blooming jasmine. One of the strongest nighttime fragrances. A small potted plant can perfume an entire balcony or room with its sweet, dreamy scent. It loves warm weather and grows fast in containers. 10. Scented geraniums. These plants come in amazing varieties: rose, lemon, mint, chocolate, even apple-scented leaves. They thrive in pots and release fragrance when you touch or rub the leaves. Great for sunny balconies. 11. Tuberose. Famous for its extremely strong floral scent, tuberose grows beautifully in deep pots. The tall flower spikes release fragrance throughout the day. They need sun and well-draining soil, but once settled, they bloom generously. 12. Sweet basil. Basil isn't just for cooking, its aroma is surprisingly strong and sweet. Thai basil and cinnamon basil have the richest fragrance. They thrive in pots and love warm sunlight. Harvesting keeps them producing fresh, aromatic leaves. Extra tips. Place fragrant plants near doors, windows, or seating areas for maximum enjoyment. Most fragrant plants prefer bright light sun, helps release stronger scents. Avoid overwatering. Many aromatic plants produce weaker fragrance in soggy soil. Trim lightly and often to keep plants compact and smelling fresh. Combine different scents like mint, lavender, and jasmine for a natural balcony perfumery. If you enjoyed this fragrant plant list, give the video a like. It really helps the channel bloom. Tell me in the comments, which fragrant plant are you adding to your balcony or patio? And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening ideas and beginner-friendly plant tips. Happy growing and stay fragrant.